You had fun listening to the story. I know it's not about super fun things, but it is always nice to kind of learn about how science works and how our bodies work, and sound and music is something that you guys really value. I know whenever we play music at school, you love it. And it instantly changes the mood in the whole classroom. So it's sort of nice to learn about it, isn't it? I'm sure you understand. The comprehension questions are here, and we can go over that. I think you guys were listening really well, so I'm sure this will be easy peasy. And guess what I found? Look at this. It's a high five hand. Yeah. Psh. Let's see who gets a high five. All right, number 1. What is this chapter about? Well, let's start with the least obvious answer. It is definitely not about C, toys, right? Nah. Is it about B, clothes? No, we did not talk about clothes at all. But how about letter A? A, noise. That's right, you got it. Psh, high five. All right, let's see. Number 2. What does a vibration move? What does a vibration move? Does it move A, people? Not in this instance, okay? I know you guys might use that word vibes a lot at school. We always hear some of the high schoolers using this word, right? You guys talk about vibes, but that's not what we're talking about right now. Is it B, building? Does a vibration move a building? No, not in this instance. But in our story, the vibration moves air. C, air. Boop, boop. Right there. Okay, number 3. What does the sound wave move to? Does it move to your ear? Well, I think that's the closest answer we're going to get, because sound waves don't move to our feet, even though our feet may move when we're dancing and we hear music. And the sound wave doesn't move to our hair because our hair doesn't hear anything, right? But our ears do. So it's A, ear. Good job. All right. And number 4. What do our throats do when we talk? Do we sleep? Do our throats sleep? No. No. Not just sleeping. I mean, I guess you could say if I'm snoring, maybe. But what do our throats do when we talk? Our throats don't fall asleep. That is not the answer. I think you knew that. Let's go to C. Do our throats fall? Do they just fall down? No. Do our throats vibrate? Well, I'm putting my hand on my throat, and I hope that you guys got to have help with that. Yep, I feel the vibration. It's B, vibrate. There you go. You're crushing this. Good job, everybody. Let's see, number 5, our last one. What is important to know about this chapter? Is it letter A? We hear sound with our hands? No, that's not it. Is it C? Sound waves do not vibrate? You're right. That's not it either. Good job answering. I love hearing you. Is it B? Yeah, You got it. Thanks for answering and telling me. Good job. High five. Put her there. B, sound waves need to move through something. All right. We're all done for our comprehension, and you guys aced it. Super proud of you. I'll see you later. Hey, everybody. So happy to see you again. I'm really glad that you got to make it for our math assignment, our money math assignment this week. It is kind of fun because we get to go shopping, remember? As I was saying in the instructions, we used to be able to go out and do that, but hopefully now you are not, because it's tricky out there. We have to be careful about the things that we touch, and we also have to learn how to be a lot more astute when it comes to touching money. So this is something we get to do at home and still practice using money. I didn't have all of my fake dollar bills that we use at school, but I was able to print out some ones online. This worksheet actually has some that we get to count, right? So here's the first page where it gives us a chance to answer it on our own. But then if you scroll down, it has the dollar bills here that we get to count with the dollar up method. So the dollar up method is simply rounding up, which we've talked about at school before. If we look at the dollars and we see here that Brent is buying items for the play, the dollars are 5. So we automatically know that we need $5. If there were 2 zeros here, that's all the dollar bills we would need, just 5. But the dollar up method tells us that if there are any other numbers on the opposite side of this decimal, that we go up $1 more. So Brent is buying items for the play. He buys a bell for $5.78. So the bell costs $5.78. The 78 cents here tells us that we need to round up and just add on $1 more. So how many dollars should we use, or should he use to pay? And the answer is $6. We just go 1 up. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we give the cashier $6 to pay for an item that costs $5.78. Good job. Let's see the next question. Mary Beth is buying items to help with the lighting for the play. She buys electrical tape for $3